past couple of days now, YouTube has been rejecting monetization. Even I was no exception. Even I got my fair share of copyright. Your video cannot be monetized. And since YouTube released their latest updates, they have just been stricter. I've been getting DMs, messages from my students. I don't care, why is this happening? I have over 10k subscribers. I applied for monetization and YouTube just rejected it. What did I do differently? And I had to personally go to each of my students' email to see what is happening. And there is one common thing that everybody have in common why YouTube is rejecting their monetization, and it is basically because of reused content. A lot of people do not even know what this means. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking it down for you. Why is YouTube rejecting monetization? What can you do differently to avoid this mistake so that you don't just pour water in an empty basket, or you are pouring water in a basket, so that you do not just waste your time like to build a channel and eventually you are never going to get monetized because of a silly mistake that you can avoid. So if that is what you are interested in, please grab your popcorn, because in this video I am going to be breaking it down for you. So why is YouTube rejecting monetization? Why is a lot of people getting rejected? So first thing is because of the used content. People do not even know that there's such thing as reused content. So first thing, used content is like using a content that somebody else has already like uploaded somewhere, and you went to go and like take and upload to your own channel without any form of like changes to it. Say for example now, you like a video on YouTube, and you screen recorded it, or you liked it on Instagram or on TikTok, you screen recorded it and you now bring it to your channel like just like that without any changes. You did not change the voiceover, you did not change the music, you did not change the anything, and it's just uploaded it like that. It's already used content. And this is also common to a lot of people that are now using AI for their voiceover, that they are using AI from 11 Lab, like the same voice, the same anything, the same script from that ChatGPT. They all of them, they bring it from 11 Labs from ChatGPT and just copy and paste and put it to their YouTube. And they don't know that a lot of people are also doing this the same. And YouTube is going to see this as spammy, as a use content, because a lot of people are doing the same thing. So YouTube cannot differentiate which is the original and which is not. So by that, YouTube is going to flag that content, and that is not the only thing. A lot of people also go to Instagram, download videos, and bring it to YouTube without doing anything. They're not going to change the music, they're not going to talk over it, they're not going to add voiceover, they're not going to edit it. YouTube is going to see it as reuse content. Another thing is, a lot of people also do the same thing for their own videos. Like, they've already uploaded this video on their own channel already, and maybe it is doing well. They now think they can be smarter than YouTube. They now gonna cut part of that clip and upload it, and probably change the thumbnail or do something, and they just upload it. YouTube is just going to see it as if you use content, because you cannot be smarter than YouTube. You are dealing with AI, you are dealing with computer right now. Like, it's the time that you don't have to like go through content. AI has the time, and they can literally like dictate what is reused and what is not. That is a common thing that I see why YouTube is rejecting a lot of people's monetization. Second one is copyright mistake. And yes, even I was no exception. I mean, I try my best to not use copyright music, but I've received 2 copyright strikes from YouTube recently. And why? Even though I searched on YouTube for royalty free, copyright free music before I add them to my vlogs, the creator started monetizing lately, and guess what? I got copyrighted. So the best thing I would say is to first of all avoid any kind of copyrighted music on your video. All those popular, even if this is playing in your background, please remove it. Best to just like make sure that it is your original voice that it is coming. And if you cannot do that, you want to add music by force, YouTube has literally provided a library of music for you that you can go. YouTube is never going to flag a video from their audio library, and the ones that you actually need to credit the artist is already written there that oh, when you use this music, you need to like credit the artist in your description. Otherwise, you can just download the music from audio library and put on your vlogs or your videos. I know it's so tempting to want to like use popular trending music in your videos, but YouTube does not allow that unless it's on your shorts. And there's even a trick to doing that. So we are not even going to dive into that in this video. All I'm just going to say is avoid copyright anything in your music, whether it's thumbnail, whether it's picture, whether it's video, whether it's music. If you want to get monetized, cause if you think you got away with it, I mean the videos that YouTube started flagging on my channel recently, they're like videos from like 2 years ago. I'm already monetized, by the way. So YouTube already like went through this video, nothing, they did not see copyright. Tell me why after 2 years they decided to like flag it. Why is that? Because YouTube has become stricter now, especially since their new monetization update. YouTube has become stricter with their copyright anything. So you can't get away with anything on YouTube with the way their bots and AI, their crawling tool is now used. Avoid re-uploading your own videos. See, there was one silly mistake that I did in a what is it even called? I was like reacting to a video of mine on my channel, and I went to like take the shot from my Instagram. I just downloaded it and put it on my YouTube. Like I put it side by side. And the funny thing is I already like uploaded that shot to my YouTube. So you know what YouTube did? YouTube actually striked me for copyright. And I'm like, this is my home video. Why is YouTube striking me for copyright? Only to realize that, oh, I already uploaded this short. I'm already monetizing this short. So YouTube is going to see it as a tricky way to like get double money from them. Because imagine me, I'm already monetizing the short and I went ahead to like take that short and put it on my own video again, talking about I'm reacting to it. So the best thing to avoid this is to ensure that your videos are original. They are coming from your own. Like I don't know. I feel like people that are solely relying on AI, they are doing faceless channel. They are relying on AI to like edit their videos, to write scripts, to like create a videos for them, are going to be getting a lot of reuse content because a lot of people are also going to be doing the same. And if you do not know how to like prompt AI the right way to help you like generate unique content, there's no way you're going to not be getting reused content from YouTube. And imagine you've already gotten subscribers, you're already almost to your 4,000 watch hours, only for you to like apply for monetization and YouTube is rejecting it. And the funny thing is, you cannot apply for monetization again unless it's after 30 days. And after that 30 days, if you should apply, and YouTube should reject it again, it is until after 90 days. So imagine all that effort when you can always do it yourself. Like you can always like write the scripts yourself, do original content, ensure that you're uploading original content. So those are like the mistakes to avoid. So let's now say that okay, you've already made those mistakes. What can you now do now that YouTube has rejected your monetization? The first thing I'm going to tell you to do is to review your channel. Yes, if YouTube rejected your monetization, I know it's easy to say, oh, I'm just going to appeal. I do not use reused content, I do not use copyright. Your eyes can skip a lot of copyright issue or you use content that you do not even know, that you do not pay attention to, that because it is AI that YouTube is using to discover these things, the AI is able to like detect these things. That so what you have to do is like review your own channel, go through all of your videos. Like it is not something that you're going to do in a hurry. You have to like sit down with your channel, audit it, review it, look at your videos one by one. Which one had you use content? Which one did you use copyright? Which one did you use music that you were not sure about? And also, if you are the type that also do live streams, you can also get rejected because of your live streams, because maybe a music was playing on the ground, or maybe you uploaded something that you were not supposed to upload. So you need to like check your individual videos and make sure that anywhere that you see like maybe there's a reused content or your copyright music, delete that video. I know you've already gotten like 1,000 subscribers, the video is doing well, but what is the point of a video that is doing well and you're not able to monetize? Like it does not make sense. So you have to like delete that video instantly. and ensure that your channel is very much optimized. So I see a lot of people that they upload on video and luckily they get like viral video, and basically they get their watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, and they just leave this channel until they want to like apply for monetization. YouTube can also reject monetization if you do not have an active channel. So you are somebody that is just uploading once in a year or once in 6 months. YouTube can reject your monetization. They can. So you need to ensure that your channel is very well optimized, like your titles, your channel banner, your display picture, your tags are in place. Ensure that your channel is very much optimized. You delete any videos that have copyright to be used on original content. And what you're going to do is actually wait for 30 days before you appeal. You don't just appeal immediately, YouTube rejects your video. Because if you're gonna appeal for a mistake that you made, you are looking for trouble, because that will mean if YouTube should reject it again, that will mean that you have to wait for complete 30 days. And if you do the mistake, you do not actually figure out why YouTube is rejecting your channel, and after 90 days you are apply again, YouTube can now totally reject your monetization for like 6 months, and maybe they will not even approve it at all. So you need to ensure that you like optimize your time and also start uploading consistently now. Like, you need to make up for the videos that you've already deleted. Maybe if you delete like a certain videos, your watch time hour is going to reduce. So upload now, upload consistently, like anytime you can upload. Ensure that you are being consistent with your upload so that YouTube can see that okay, there's an activity going on this channel. So that when you apply for monetization again and you've gone through your channel, you've audited it, you reviewed it, you've seen that there is nothing that is keeping YouTube from, you are able to like appeal that video. So the best advice I always give people is to ensure that your content is always original. Please try your best. I know it's not easy. It's easy in this era of AI to just leave everything to AI without tweaking anything. But please do. Please do, if you really like your channel and you know that YouTube is not like a child's play to you, you actually want to make money from YouTube, please, 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 please try as much as possible to ensure that you are uploading unique original content so that YouTube does not flag your content. Even I had to like delete the videos that YouTube flagged for copyright issues, even when the music that I used at that time was not copyrighted. So that is it. And also, I also one-on-one coaching. So if you are currently going through this, I can help you with it. We can actually go over your channel and help you like discover what is happening, like where did you make the mistake. Can I identify your content? I can help you. And also, I have a class coming up by June 10. So if you are interested in monetizing your channel faster, because I monetize, I use the same strategy to help my friend monetize, and my friend got monetized in 42 days. I'm not even kidding. So this is the same strategy and much more that I'll be teaching in my class in June 10th. This is going to be a live masterclass. So if you are interested, the link to the class is going to be in the description, and I'm also going to pin it in the comments. And also, if you enjoy videos like this, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and always leave your thoughts in the comment section. With that being said, see you in my next video. Bye.